Raindrops. Drops of water that falls from the sky to the floor. Each of them has the glance and glimmer that I see. What will happen if it stops? Will this glamour not will be? Here's the reason that I feel. From river's evaporation to the air goes to form a cloud in the sphere. Then it takes a form of heavy, because can a cloud hold water so many? Through the precipitation, these waterfalls, named the water raindrops. It falls on the leaves, on me in slow. I feel the scent of the raindrops. And after each rain, as it gives a rainbow. That's why I love rainy season with the pretty raindrops. By Shreyashi Parida. Thank you for watching.